Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to bird watching the red and green macaw in Heartopia. So, to unlock the bird watching diary or bird watching info card of this bird, you need to go to the fishing village to join the nest of 100 of fans, and these birds will spawn almost all times and almost all weather at the sunny, rainy or rainbow. So just go to the bird of nests of hundreds of fans that you can join at the fishing village. You can just join it when it's hosted by the Bailey J every every 5 p.m. or you can also start it by yourself. And after that, just join this event like usual and then walk around to bird watching any birds, in and at this event you can bird watching a special birds. One of them is the and red and green macaw like this. I think this bird is so beautiful. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.